Welcome to the world of motocross! Whether you're a seasoned rider or just dipping your toes into the exhilarating sport, motocross schools offer a gateway to mastering the art of off-road motorcycle racing. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intricate world of motocross schools, exploring everything from safety gear essentials to advanced riding techniques and beyond. Safety gear. Essentials. Your safety gear is your first line of defense against injuries on the track. Here's a breakdown of the essential safety gear. Helmet. Your helmet is your most crucial piece of safety equipment. Look for helmets that meet safety standards and fit snugly yet comfortably. Goggles. Protect your eyes from dust, dirt, and debris with high-quality goggles. Anti-fog and scratch-resistant lenses are a must for clear vision. Gloves. Use durable gloves with reinforced palms and knuckle protection to protect your hands during spills and impacts. Boots. Sturdy motocross boots offer ankle support and protection from rocks and branches. Choose boots with a rigid sole for maximum stability. Body armor. For added protection, consider wearing body armor that covers your chest, back, shoulders, and elbows. Look for armor that offers adjustability and ventilation for comfort during long rides. Before hitting the dirt track, it's essential to ensure you're properly equipped and your bike is in top-notch condition. A well-maintained bike is essential for safe and enjoyable riding. Before hitting the track, perform a thorough inspection of your bike.